Hey, this is Brittany with some Insurance 101 tips. Just thinking of items that you can do to help save your money right now. Everything is so tight. People are obviously, looking for ways to save some money, not being able to go to work, not driving to work, just, things are kind of up in the air with everything going on today. So, just kind of some ideas that might help you are, can you look at increasing your deductibles on your car insurance? If you have $1,000 emergency fund set up, are you able to increase your deductibles from 500 to 1,000? This small change can help you save some money. Also, how old is your car? If something happened to your car, would it actually make sense to even carry comprehensive and collision on that? Would you get the money that you've paid into your car insurance because your car maybe is worth a couple $1,000s and you have an accident, you might get a couple grand over the long term, you might be paying way more money than that. So something to think about is doing that. If you do have a loan on your car, you can't usually go over $1,000 as your deductible. But, if you don't, I have clients who do $2,000, it's just really where you're at financially. Also, something to think about is your homeowner's insurance. Do you have $1,000 deductible? That is pretty average for people to carry $1,000 on their homeowner's insurance, but there are higher options. You can do 2,000, 2,500, 5,000. Just where's your comfortable, what's comfortable for you. If there was something to happen, would you be okay with paying that much money out of pocket before insurance paid out? So just little things like that to think about. I don't recommend lowering your coverage because it's going to save you a smaller amount of money and you could be lowering tens, thousands of dollars on your insurance, which, I just wouldn't want somebody to be put in a situation where they went from okay coverage down to not so great coverage and save themselves $10. So just things like that. If you have questions, let me know. Happy to help. Hope everybody's doing well. Thanks.